many things happen today. Number one is our big meeting, the Academy Masters meeting. And also we celebrate our 45 years. In the meantime, we are discussing innovations for the next 45 years.
So every year we come for the scientific meet, which is typically held at this time of the year, and we get to learn new things about it, new innovations, new technology, new case discussions.
So here we have doctors and clinical experts from around the world, from India, from the USA, from Europe, from Africa.
People here have great knowledge and experience.
Professors of universities, plastic surgery and dermatology.
Hair transplantation procedures vary across the globe.
We have the elite of our field.
I'm here with like-minded individuals. I'm here learning off the best.
But what will come out today will actually mark the history of hair restoration for years to come. DHI is the undisputed leader in the world because of a 45 years commitment to our vision, to our mission, and to our values. We don't have only the biggest team in the world, but the best team in the world, most experienced, committed doctors in the world.
With all these lectures regarding the anatomy, with more and more giga sessions, unshaven sessions happening. So it's been a great lecture.
Absolutely great.
Thanks to everyone who participates here tonight, and a big thanks to the mayor of Labrador, because it was his idea to stage the event at this building, which was part of the old mines of Greece. And it was because of the mines of Greece that Athens created their empire. I can go on and on about history in Greece and all that, but the first award today belongs to the guy who started a few in a way in DHI Labrador, Dimitris Zakas.
I'm thankful to everybody from DHI I have worked with, and especially Mr. Giotis.
So Mr. Landa is the winner of the franchise of the year.
I'm very happy today. Thank you.
Θα είναι στον Δόκτωρο Χριστόφουλο.
Thank you very much.
I have always wanted a hair transplant, but I have problems with very thin hair at the donation area. So I've been informed that MPG would be the best alternative.
You know, coming here since 8 years and seeing the DHI family grow so much from people all over the globe. Now we have people from different regions socializing, sharing ideas.
Questions can fire up the whole conversation.
It's nice to come out here. We always come, every year to review some of the scientific literature and what's going on in the world of hair transplant. DHI's method, upgrades to the method, different ideas.
One thing that was made very clear to me was the authenticity of purpose.
You wouldn't believe now we had a professor of dermatology presenting the hair anatomy. And I was talking to Dr. Lee that while we were watching the hair anatomy analysis, and during that presentation, we thought of a new technique just now. So he says, okay, we're going to try it on Monday.